Hi, this is Charlie from Path of the Bee. In this video on how I make my frame components, I'm going to be showing you how I make my bottom bars. Okay, so here's the plan, and I'll show more of this at the end. Alright, the first thing I'm doing here is I'm rough cutting my stock to about 18 inches. That'll give me a little bit of trim later on. Alright, because I use rough cut lumber that I cut myself on a wood miser, I need to surface it, so I'm surfacing it to 3/4 of an inch. Alright, here I'm joining one edge to make sure that it's straight. Squaring the ends. I'm cutting this off at 17 11/16 of an inch. That's the length of my bottom bar. The next thing I do is I just go ahead and rip these off at 3/8 of an inch wide little strips. Okay, so then the little trick here is the push stick that I made for the bottom bar groove. Has a little hook there to catch it, and you can just slide them right in. They lock in. You can hold them up tight against the fence. The big trick is to not get going too fast or you will saw crooked. Take your time, be patient, find a good pace. There we go, bottom bars. Alright, so here's the plan once again. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed.